Okay. I'm here as requested.
I'm Mia Queen.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Fawn gave me orders to give you this no questions asked.
Thank you. Laurel, long breath. We're just training.
I know, but if we can't get our powers back, then Deathstroke's already won.
Laurel, it's going to be okay. We just have to trust me. And notice what she's doing.
You better be right.
I have the hard drive now. We better get over to the Roundel point.
But what about the Cry Killer? If Deathstroke can kill our Cry before, then he can do it again.
That's why we're going to destroy it.
So when are we getting paid?
When the job's done.
Here's the drive you asked for now. Where's the antidote you promised?
You mean this antidote.
Hand it over.
You throw me the drive and I'll throw you the antidote agreed.